Woo! The boogity bob. Welcome back to the show again today, folks. Thanks for coming back. My name's Randy, as most of you know, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. Well, it's not all that different, but it's not a common thing that I do on every show. What it is, well, I got a really big box right here. We're going to unbox a guitar. And I'm not going to tell you what it is, what kind it is. I'm not going to tell you what kind it is until we get into it. In fact, we'll look at it together. So, if I can get it in here and get enough room, I think probably the easiest thing to do would be open this whole end of it right here. I think. I don't know. It don't look like it's ever been opened there before. Yeah, maybe it has too. Alright. Let's get into it if we can. I hope there's a folding flap right here. I can't tell if there is or not. Probably will be when I get done with it. See, I'm thinking cutting it right there and then cut it down each side. Yeah, I think there is a flap there. There's some kind of... Wow, I need a sharper knife. No, there's no flap there. Well, there's going to be. Leave it to me. Oh, I got to tell you this. I got to tell you all this. See that hole right there? And this hole here. Little burn place there. Hole here and a hole here. Well, today, driving down the road, everything was going normally. And dropped the cherry out of my cigarette. It fell out. You know, when you're driving, you don't have a lot of time to mess around. You know what I mean? We looked everywhere for it. You know where it went? I don't know how it burnt me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I don't know how that happened. But that's how many times it got me. Wow. Before we never did find it. Never found it. I guess it probably burned itself out by the time we would have, but we didn't. That was a wild trip. Very much wild day. You have to take the crap out of this box when we put it back together. Wow, that's a big box. And it's a heavy box too. Unfastened one of the case buckles. Packed good, I'll say that for it. Very well packed. I'll tell you what, I'm going to pause the camera. I'm going to have to clean up all this mess, and I'm probably going to have to recruit somebody to help me get this thing out of here because it's so heavy. I might be able to. I have to do this. Like it says Martin on the case. Wonder if that's an indication of anything. Wow, worked the sweat up. And it's cold in here. Let me pick some paper up and I'll bring you right back. Hold on. Martin and Company, EST 1833. Custom shop. That's where my Martin, Dan Tominski model Martin came from. The custom shop. I was thinking it was a Taylor guitar that came in yesterday. This guitar came in yesterday and I got another one today. And I haven't opened it yet. Yeah, I figured I'd have one of those right there. Alright, you're seeing it first time, just like me. I haven't even opened the case yet. Nice looking case though. And the box made the trip well too. We'll get it out, look it over, and see what it's all about. And there's what it is. It truly is a Martin. Whoa! Shipped up to pitch too. Sounds like it's up to 440. Wow, I wouldn't ship a guitar like that tuned up. That's never good. I always tune it down at least one whole step, at least that. Hold on, I'll get it out and we'll check it out. Alright, forgive me for the shaky cam. I'll do the best I can do here. I'll stabilize it when I render the video. I always wanted one of these guitars with the slotted headstocks like that. Puts more down pressure on the nut here. And way better sound, more volume and everything. It helps it a lot. Anyways, here's what it looks like. Let me back off so you can see it. Just a beautiful guitar. Got a through saddle. Saddle runs clear through. More than wider, covers more area, carries sound better. What is it? I don't know if the camera's going to get that or not. CF Martin 4. CF Martin 4. Man, it looks brand new. Look at the shine on that baby. Just a gorgeous guitar. And you hear what I mean about volume with the through saddle and slotted headstock. Wow, I bet this thing's loud. Let's look at the back of it. Gently flop him over. And here's what the back look like. Get the light glare off of it so you can see it. It's glaring almost all over. Oh, that's not glare. Sorry. Look like glare. This light overhead here. Check the neck joint here. Heel cap. The light overhead shines down on the camera monitor. Makes it very hard for me to see sometimes when I'm under that light. Are the tuners gold? No, they're not. They're chrome. Look gold in the camera. One beauty of a guitar. It is. Wow. Yes. What are we going to do to this guitar? It's from, well, I can't tell you where it's from. I'll say it's from several states away, though. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous guitar. So, let me put the camera back in the pod and we'll talk about it. It's in for work. So there you go, folks. I'll show it to you again under that light. You can probably maybe see it better over there. In for, I'm not going to tell you what it's in for. I'll let that be a surprise. That way you'll have to stay tuned to see what I have to do to it. I will tell you this. It's going to degrade the value of this guitar. But the owner knows that, and he wants it done anyways. So, stay tuned. You'll want to see that fix. It's going to be an interesting one that, you know, it's on YouTube once that I know of. Maybe others, but I don't think so. I don't know. I'd have to look. I haven't looked to see, so I don't really know that for sure. But it's going to be on there whenever I do it to this guitar. So stay tuned. You won't want to miss out on that. And, oh yeah, listen to this thing, man, while it's in tune. That slotted headstock and what they call a through saddle adds big time to a guitar. Man, it really ups the bass, the volume, the tone, everything. I would love to have that, a guitar like that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see what the horrible, horrible things I do to this guitar. It will decrease the value of it. It will decrease the value of it, but it's going to, well, just stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you there. Cheers.